Hey guys, it's Tasche, and I've got another product review coming up for you. This time I'll be reviewing a brand new cloud-based software from Brian Winters called ViraLightning. And this is something I'm really excited about. And as you can see here on the page here, ViraLightning is a groundbreaking cloud-based software that transforms virtually any affiliate product into a 100% complete viral income system in 5 minutes flat. Now, basically what you'll be doing is you'll be able to benefit from the same type of viral marketing as the guru product owners do. Now, we all know that whenever a product is being launched, a ton of affiliates will go and promote that product, which sends a ton of traffic to the sales page, which floods the product owner's business with leads and sales. Well, you'll be able to benefit from the same type of viral marketing without needing your own product. What you'll do is you'll take a product that you're promoting as an affiliate, you'll plug it into your ViraLightning system as your income engine, and then that there turns that into a viral marketing campaign, viral marketing system, whereby you'll be able to get other people to send you traffic, okay, to send you leads and sales. Now, you'll learn all about how the software works when I send out my review. And the product's being launched May 24th, 2018 at 9 a.m. Eastern. And I'll send my review out about an hour before the product goes live. So at 8 a.m., look for my review in your email. Now, if you're not on my list, and you're watching this video on YouTube, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. That's going to take you to another page where I'll have a link to my review when it's ready. Okay, so whether you're on my list or not, you'll still be able to access the review. Also, as with any product that I'm reviewing, I'm offering a very valuable bonus package, which I'm currently putting together right now. So you'll be able to get access to that along with your purchase of ViraLightning. And with that, guys, that's all I really have for now. Just make sure you keep an eye on your email, or you just click the link down below and bookmark that and watch for my review. Again, I'll be doing a full review of the product. I'll do a demo as well, so you'll learn exactly how it works and the pros and cons of it and all that. And you also get access to my bonus package as well. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Talk to you soon.